Last week, we talked about defining your retirement income goals using real estate and a big picture view of how to achieve it. Now I want to narrow the lens and look step by step on how to start to achieve those goals, because everyone wants to live comfortably throughout their retirement. First, ask yourself, are you willing to move? I talk about this step a lot because it's one of the best tips I can give those who are starting off in real estate investing. By moving into each property, you can lock in a lower primary home interest rate and won't need to put nearly as much down, because primary homes only require 3% down and they have access to down payment assistance programs. If you don't care to move, and you purchase your primary as an investment, be prepared to put anywhere from 15 to 25% down, depending on the product. But of course, you save yourself the hassle of moving. Keep in mind, there's no right or wrong answer, and the Rueth Team has helped countless people invest both ways. So next is figuring out how much you can afford and what type of property you want to purchase. If you currently are renting and you look at purchasing your first property, you can likely afford more than you think. For example, what if you're paying rent of $18.50 a month? And the top end of your home search to match that would be around $350,000. And if you're thinking, well, I don't even have the $11,000 to spend on down payment, well, that's okay too, because many people utilize CHFA or other down payment assistance programs to help them afford their first property. These systems allow you to put zero down if you qualify on a primary home. This could mean you only need to bring the closing costs to the table. So now let's jump over to the type of property you want to invest in, as there are pros and cons to any choice. If you're looking at living in the property, you might want to purchase a single-family home or a condo townhome. You can live in the house by yourself for the first year, or you can rent out the other rooms, creating cash flow right off the bat. And finding roommates isn't the hassle it used to be. In fact, because of online resources, it's easier than ever to find the right people. For example, when my sons were looking for roommates for their single-family homes, we were able to fill those rooms and know how much to charge for rent within 48 hours. And both of them now get to live for free. But if you don't want roommates and you want still the possibility of decreasing your own living expenses, a multi-unit is your answer. Fourplexes are my preference. Duplexes and triplex are great products as well. And you don't need to qualify for the entire monthly mortgage amount. You actually can use 75% of the projected rental incomes on those other units. So if that means if you're using that $1,800 a month rent that we were talking about earlier, you could purchase a fourplex for $750,000 and use the rental income from the other 3 units to pay down that mortgage. Better yet, if you price it correctly, the other 3 units could help you cover the cost of the fourth and allow you to live for free. And to sweeten that deal, you only need to put 3.5% down on the entire quadplex going FHA, or 0 down if you're a veteran. Well, there are a lot of choices when it comes to investing in real estate, and there's no one size fits all. So you do have to determine what you need to get from your investments and what you're willing to do along the way. And if you come across any questions while you're at it, well, please give me a call. We're helping our clients build wealth through real estate, and that's one of the favorite parts of my job. Nicole Rueth, the Rueth Team of Fairway Mortgage, we look forward to serving you.